Hi, I'm Steve Lander, and my workshop at the ETAS PD Day in September is about artificial intelligence tools and how they can perhaps help the language teacher. I'll be taking a look at what artificial intelligence is and how generative artificial intelligence works. Then I'll look at what artificial intelligence tools there are, which language teachers can use, and what those tools can generate. And I'll be taking a quite critical look at the results that you get from these tools. I hope it will be an interesting talk for you.